May gift talaga kayo para sa amin?
Uy, wala ha? Sabi niya, wala ha? Kay no guilty feelings, please!
Hindi okay lang. Basta bukas ang mall. Update lang. Update. Okay lang.
Pero sabi ni Lies, gusto mo din. Wala ko kasalanan kung ayaw mo yan.
Okay, Chef. I was really hoping for some box.
Christmas tomorrow.
Wala ang tag. Hindi ko na nilagay. Ang kailangan ko ba? Thank you, Lane. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Sana mag-asal mo tayo yan. Nagpili niyan si Leia.
Para ito ng water. For fresh. Tinagalan niya price. Para maging 1,000. Ano ka na ba? Okay, 10 pesos.
One hot oil.
One hot oil.
One body massage.
One body massage. Expiry date November 8, 2012. Ay! Salamat! I still have another year. Expiry date. Thank you! Thank you! Yay! Si Mami, wala! Kasi Tanji.
Kung pareho sila ng backyard ni Susan, baka pareho sila ng ano.
Hindi ko alam kung ito sa'yo o kay Leia, pero... Good gosh!
Electric?
Pinakita lang ang brand. Para malaman mo na signature.
Ito Joshua. Ito Joshua. Kailan pa ito Joshua? Joshua. Open.
Mamaya na yan, akin. Mamaya na yan. Yeah, later. Okay, put it down there first. Put it.
Isang si Jen, hindi ko nasamahan.
Ano yung kay Angel? Electric box na.
Another pair of shoes. Mag-enjoy siya.
Joshua, sit down with Lola. Joshua, come here.
Johnny. He said thank you. Hindi ko
Johnny.
Wow! Ano yan siya?
Joshua. Actually, everything. You have everything. Look, check.
It's okay. I have the ano. We haven't changed. No
Okay,
problem.
we change it.
I will have the
Yes.
Recycle.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you.
Picturean, picturean, picturean. Picture, picture, picture.